Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today I've got for you our cash unstuffing for the week. We'll go over all of my credit card expenses, and then we'll go ahead and unstuff our envelopes to pay that credit card back. All right, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and get into it. As always, we will mostly be coming out of here. Actually, I think this week will all be coming out of the blue binder. I don't think we spent any of our sinking funds monies. All right, so let's go ahead and go through this. So we're always going to start with my envelope. Let's see what I spent. So I purchased something on Etsy. That was $3.22. And then I did treat myself and my husband to some boba tea, and that was $11.82 for a grand total of $15.04 that will be coming out of my envelope. So we'll just go ahead and take 15 out of there. So we've got 10, 15. And left over in my envelope, we've got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 left over in my envelope. Let's make sure we mark that off over here, 54. That pen does not want to work. Let's see if this one will work for us. 54. And we'll slide this over here into our tray. All right, next up is going to be groceries. And it looks like, let's see, we went to Trader Joe's. We spent $106.09 at Trader Joe's. And then so this isn't technically groceries, but I'm counting it for groceries this week. We treated ourselves to a local little restaurant. It had like little breakfast cruffins, and so that was $18.23. So we'll be taking out a total of $124.32 out of groceries today. And we do have a nice stack in groceries. So let's see, we'll take out 50, 120, and let's just take out 25. We'll round it up for groceries. All right, so let's see what we have left over in groceries. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So $175 left over in groceries. All right, next up is gas. I did not have to fill up this week, but my husband did. And in gas, we spent $37.35. All right, so we'll be taking out $38 here. So 20, 35, 36, 37, 38. All right, so left over in gas, we've got 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63. Y'all have any fun plans for Valentine's Day tomorrow? I'm not sure what me and my husband are doing. We might actually just go out tonight versus going out on actual Valentine's Day, because as someone who works in the restaurant business, Valentine's Day is so crazy, so busy, and usually your service will show that. So I think we might actually go out tonight versus going out tomorrow for Valentine's Day. But let me know what your plans are down below. I love hearing what other people do. I think it's, you know, so fun and creative what some people do on Valentine's Day. Next up is going to be subscriptions. So I did have my Canva subscription come out, and that was $12.99. So we'll be taking out $13 out of subscriptions. Oops, getting ahead of myself over here. So let me mark that off. All right, so $13. And let's see what we have left. We've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 left over in subscriptions. And I actually think if I can get this envelope up, I might just switch to the yearly versus the monthly for Canva now that my introduction rate has gone up. I think it just makes better sense for me, but we'll see. I think it's like 120 maybe. So I would save a little bit of money in the long run to do the yearly subscription, but we'll see. We'll see if I can get that up enough that I can do that. Next up is going to be gym. My husband's gym membership came out, and that is $19. That is $19 bi-weekly. So let's take that out of this envelope. We've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And left over in gym, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, next up is dining, and y'all, we did not go over in dining this week. I made sure of it. I pulled from other envelopes, as you see with the maze over here, and we are not gonna go over in dining. Like, I'm planning for it, and I am working hard to stay within our budget. But we did go out. We went out to this nice restaurant in our area, spent $91.34, and y'all, that was after a discount. So this restaurant offers a discount on Sunday evenings if you also work in a restaurant. So if you also work in a restaurant and you tell them, you'll actually get 50% off of your food at that restaurant, which is very nice. And obviously I took care of my waitress, but that saved us like, I think it was slightly over $30. So it was very much appreciated, and it helped us stay in budget. So we spent $91.34. So let's go ahead and take out 92. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 91, 92. And so left over in dining, we have $5, $6, $7, $8 left over in dining. And that is a win for me. So $8. All right, next up is pet care. We spent $10 at Target for pet care this week to get them some fresh pet. Oops. So let's take that out of here. Do I have I do have a $10 bill. So left over in pet care, we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 101. So 101 is left over in pet care. We'll put this 10 back over here. All right, and then we also got a few things that we needed. We got like, I think it was body wash and, you know, toothpaste, that kind of stuff from Target. Both me and my husband needed body wash and like deodorant and that kind of stuff. So we spent $21.42 at Target, and that's going to be coming out of the health envelope today. So let's see. We've got 21, and I'm going to pull 22. So left over in health, we've got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 115 is still there in health. And that's it. That's all we spent this week. And I think we did pretty good, if I do say so myself. It came out to a grand total of $331.46. Let's go ahead and count the money that we unstuffed to make sure that we have at least that amount. All right, so we've got 50, 100, 50, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So $334 will be going back to pay off that credit card, and also a little bit there in our buffer. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to my channel. We are getting close to 700 subscribers, y'all. And remember, when we hit that 1K mark, we are doing a giveaway. So I hope y'all will join the fam, and I'll see you next time. Bye.